Are you ready to launch your website with the best hosting or promo code available today? If you want to maximize your savings, you need to know the difference between a standard coupon and a partnership deal. While a typical promo code might give you 10% off, clicking my special partnership link in the description or comments will boost that discount to a full 20% off. This discount is valid across the board for all services, including the hosting or website builder, Horizon plans, and business email. To get the best value, I highly recommend going with the 48-month duration. It's the smartest way to avoid those high renewal fees later on and locks in the lowest possible price for years to come. When you use the link below, you'll also receive a free domain and 3 bonus months of hosting to get you started on the right foot. Simply scroll down on the landing page to pick your plan, or use the nav bar to find the specific product you need. Make sure to sign up with a fresh email address to ensure the partnership discount is applied to your cart. Regardless of where you are in the world, the links I've provided are optimized for all countries, so you'll see the best local pricing and support immediately. Click the link now, grab your hosting, and let's get your website online today.